Hello guys and welcome to today's video. This video will be about how to make money using Teespring. Teespring is a popular platform for creating and selling custom merchandise online. And you can create a design and sell it, customize it design and put it on something. Like here we have t-shirts, mugs, uh, clothes on general, phone case and others, and sell it. So I will show you some ways on how to upgrade your income and how to make money. So the first way is to design and sell t-shirts. Teespring allows you to create custom t-shirt design and sell them on their platform. You can use Teespring design tool to create your own design or upload your own artwork. Once you've created the design and can set your own price and earn profit from every sale. So the first thing to do is you don't have to copy something because the copyrights and others will be tracking you and you're gonna fail your business. So the design should be your own. Import your own design, create a design. If you don't have any experience, we have other ways you can do it. So the second way is sell other products. In addition to the t-shirt, Teespring also offers other products such as hoodies, mugs, phone case, and more. You can create customized design for these products and sell it on them on sell them on Teespring platform. This can be a good option if you have a niche audience that could be interested in specific types of products. So the next way is create and sell design for other people. If you have design skills, you can offer your service to other on Teespring. You can create custom design for other people t-shirts and other products and earn a commission on every sale made using your design. So let's take a look on my store. Here you can use a domain to get found on Google. We have the analytics here to see what have you done, what have you sell, and you can sell anywhere: pop-up, YouTube, Instagram. I will skip this. Twitch, Linktree. Linktree is just for gathering all your links in one place. So the next way is use Teespring Boosted Network. Teespring has a boosted network program that allows you to promote your products to a wider audience. You can opt into the program, and Teespring will promote your products and to their network of affiliates and programs and partners. This can help you reach more customers and increase your sales. And we have the fifth way is create and sell courses. Teespring also have a Teespring University program that allows you to create and sell course on topics related to e-commerce and entrepreneurship. You can use your your expertise to create course and would be of interest to Teespring seller and earn commission on every sale. So like we said, Teespring is a direct money maker. You just have to be a designer. If you are not a designer, you can close the video or you can go and learn about design. So, in summary, Teespring offers many opportunities to make money online, from creating and selling custom t-shirts design to offering design services, selling other products using the Booster network and others. So, how to get inspired on how to get to know the business well. So you just have to discover and navigate on the shop of Teespring and see here. Here, let's access Teespring shop and click discover. So here we have some t-shirt design, some cool t-shirt designs. Okay, 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 forget about the thing about cool t-shirt design. Here we have names, hoodies, tanks. No, no, you can say I'm against everything. We have animal lovers. And let's skip this. So here you can get inspiration from those creation and t-shirts. So you know what are you going to create and see how people sell, how people set their prices, and what should you put on the description, the name, and how to fill up the informations. You should just discover the shop and see how people did it before you. So we have the colors, the size, we have multiple details here. We have the description, the details, the delivery detail. We have similar products from the same owner. And so all you need is those few information and a good design to sell your own merchandise on this website and to make some money. You all need is to be a designer, to learn design. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.